Turning your engine 1W11. Turning good. At the front engines looks good, as you can see, no damage. Compressor look as well. Altimeter look nice, in good conditions. And on this side, engines looks good, as you can see. All windows in good conditions, no water. All pipes inside looks good. Gearbox look as well, no broken. And on this side, this engine, everything is good. Starter look as well. On the top, all connectors and injectors looks good. Plastic cover, no broken. And on the bottom, no cracks, no leaks. And turning your engine 1W11.